अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद है कि आप सब ठीक होंगे और जिधर भी होंगे खुशबाश होंगे। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, आज का हमारा जो सा टॉपिक है वो है ड्रोन्स मॉनिटरिंग बाय नाइल वर्क्स इन डिटेल। अगर आप भी हमारे चैनल को पहली बार विजिट कर रहे हैं तो इसे जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लें, साथ ही बेल आइकन भी प्रेस कर लें ताकि आपको हमारे आने वाली न्यू वीडियोस की अपडेट्स और नोटिफिकेशन जल्द मिल सके। स्टार्ट करते हैं अपने टॉपिक को। Nailworks, a Japanese company, has developed advanced drone-based monitoring system for agriculture, integrating high-precision sensing and AI-driven analysis to enhance crop management. Here are detailed overview. Nailworks drone monitoring system. First is phenotyping survey system. This system utilizes drone sensing and AI image analysis to monitor crop growth and detect disease. It involves digital mapping, creating precise digital map of fields using high precision survey tool, automated flight path, generated drones flight path based on the digital map, high resolution sensing, equipping drones with sensors to capture detailed image of crops, AI analysis using AI to assess crop appearance, morphology, and detect issues like disease and weeds. This system is applied in seed production, pesticide trials, and varieties development. Second point is Nile Bank platform. Nile Bank is an AI-powered platform that analyze crop growth through proximity sensing and image analysis. Its offer growth analysis, assessing uniformity, so germination and harvest metrics, disease detection, identifying sign of disease in various crop using multispectral camera, data integration, combining data from drone sensors and environmental factors for comprehensive analysis. Third point is Nile JS agriculture drones. The Nile JS is a fully automated agriculture drones designed for pest control and crop monitoring. Key features include precision spraying equipped with RTK GNSS for accurate application of liquid and granular agents. Ease of use designed for operation without advanced piloting skills. Real-time monitoring provides real-time flight information via LTE network. Application and benefits. Crop monitoring regularly assesses crop health and growth stages. Disease and pest detection. Early identification of issues to enable timely intervention. Yields prediction. Estimate harvest yields based on collected data. Resource optimization. Efficient use of inputs like water, fertilizers,